Alright guys, welcome to the second lesson of the Comprehensive Guide to Prompt Engineering. After learning about the basics, we're now ready to venture into the future and explore what's next for language models. We'll start by looking at some industries that are already feeling the impact of language models and how prompts can be tailored for different industries and applications. We'll explore some examples from different fields to see how prompts can play a big role in making language models more effective in these areas. And finally, we'll also mention some challenges and limitations these models are faced with. So let's get straight into it. Prompt engineering for specific use cases is all about tailoring prompts to meet the specific needs of a particular industry or application. So whether we're talking about customer service, healthcare, or marketing, or whatever, understanding the goals of each use case will help you create effective prompts that get the information you need and provide the best possible responses. And with a little creativity and consideration, you can use prompts to make language models even more powerful in specific industries and applications. So starting with customer service, an industry that requires quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries, and here language models are revolutionizing the way companies interact with their customers. They're providing faster, more personalized service, and they're freeing up human agents so they could focus on more complex issues. Below you can see an example of a well-designed prompt for this use case. Also, keep in mind if you're engineering prompts for this field, it's important to keep customers' needs in mind. So a prompt like, "What can I assist you with today?" is simple, clear, and to the point. In healthcare, language models can be used for medical record summarization and drug discovery. Doctors and researchers are now able to diagnose diseases faster and more accurately, and they're also making breakthroughs in the development of new treatments. And here, accuracy and speed are just as crucial as in customer service. So a prompt like, "What are your symptoms?" can help a language model get the information it needs to provide a diagnosis. Below you can see another example of a well-designed prompt for this use case. However, being mindful of privacy concerns is something that I'm sure I don't have to mention to anyone already working in this industry. Now, when it comes to marketing, prompts can play a big role in gathering information about potential customers. A prompt like, "What are you interested in?" can be used to gather data on what products or services someone might be interested in. Here, however, it is important to be transparent about why you're asking and what you'll do with the information. Otherwise, you might catch a lawsuit. The gaming industry has long been a leader in innovative technologies, and language models are no exception. By using prompts to guide the creation of in-game dialogue, characters, and narratives, game developers can create more immersive and engaging experiences for players. So for example, a prompt could be used to specify the personality and characteristics of an NPC or a non-playable character in the game, and the language model would generate dialogue that reflects those traits. So by fine-tuning the prompts, game developers can ensure that the NPC's dialogue is consistent and believable. The blockchain industry is rapidly growing and has a lot of potential for prompt engineering. By using language models to generate smart contracts, the blockchain industry can increase efficiency and reduce the risk of human error. For example, a prompt could specify the terms and conditions of a contract, and the language model would generate a legal document that meets those requirements. The blockchain industry can also use language models to generate reports and analyses, which can help businesses make more informed decisions. And I'll give you another example. In the finance world, language models are being used to automate tedious tasks and make faster and more informed decisions. And they can also be used to analyze financial data and make predictions about stock prices. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. The potential applications of language models are endless, and as the technology continues to evolve, the possibilities will only continue to grow as well. So what does the future hold for language models? Unfortunately, I can't say for certain, but one thing is clear: they are going to change the world in ways we can't even imagine yet. Okay, let's take a look at the dark side of the moon now. Despite the many benefits of language models, and while they've certainly come a long way and have the potential to revolutionize a ton of industries, it's not all sunshine and rainbows when it comes to language models, and there are also challenges and limitations that need to be addressed. So for example, language models are notorious for having biases and spreading misinformation, which can be a real problem when it comes to more sensitive topics, such as politics and social issues, not to mention the risk that they can and possibly will be used for malicious purposes. Additionally, language models can struggle with understanding context, which can lead to confusion and mistakes in their responses. This is something I've noticed while tampering with ChatGPT, and I'm certain you will notice it too. However, keep in mind that this is only version 3 and that a far better and improved version 4 is on the way. There is also a need for more rigorous evaluation and refinement of language models to ensure that they are generating high-quality text and making accurate predictions. And finally, language models can be computationally intensive and require a lot of data and computational power to train, which can be a barrier for some organizations that want to use them. Despite these challenges, however, these are only the beginning stages. They will be better and they will be more and more immersed in our daily lives in ways we can't even guess right now. So the future of language models is still looking bright. So to quickly recap, guys, we went through a few examples of how prompt engineering can be used to benefit specific industries. The possibilities are endless, and as language models continue to improve, the impact they will have on various industries will only increase. We've also seen what kind of challenges and limitations these models, as well as prompt engineers themselves, are faced with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode where I'll be going over the ethics involved in prompt engineering and language models.